Hello, I want to guide you through your visa application process. Shall we? Okay. To start a visa application process, the first thing you have to do is that you have to understand yourself very well. Like, how do you want to travel? Do you want to travel for holidays abroad? Or do you want to travel for work abroad? Or do you want to travel to partake in or join a gaming activities in abroad? So after understanding how you want to travel, the second thing to do is to start gathering your supporting documents, all of them. Please make sure you have all of them ready to begin your visa application. After getting all of them in hand, go to the printing press center and do scan all the documents that are not in a PDF format into a PDF format onto your phone or laptop or any storage device. Please don't forget to return all the hard copies of the documents you send to the printing press. It's very important. So after getting all your supporting documents ready, then you are good to go. If you want to know the type of document you have to prepare, go to Menu. Click on Supporting Documents. You will see all the supporting documents specifically based on how you want to travel. These are some of the supporting documents that you might need. Let's say we are going for holidays tour in United Kingdom. These are the documents you might need: passport, bank statement, government identity card, police clearance report, traveling insurance, your holidays tour program, your departure and your returning ticket, your hotel reservation. Letterhead from your company manager is only you know you work for somebody. Okay. Now that we have all that we need to get our visa, we are starting with our visa application process now by clicking on Apply for a visa on the service page. Please note, before you can access the visa application service, you have to subscribe to the service before you get access. Please note, subscriptions applies to all service. Subscribe and start with your visa application now. After you are done with your application, you will receive a confirmation letter in your email box. That includes an appointment letter for your biometrics at the embassy that you will print and add to your supporting documents when it's time to visit the embassy. Wow! It's simple and easy to apply for a visa on your own. So what are you waiting for? Let's start now.